Every homeowner knows the feeling. The seasons shift almost overnight, and suddenly you're dealing with a drafty window, a musty basement, or a furnace that won't kick on when you need it most. The truth is, most of the expensive home repairs people face didn't happen overnight. They built up slowly, hidden in plain sight, waiting to be noticed. That's why a seasonal home inspection routine is one of the smartest habits any homeowner can build. Walking through your property every time the seasons change and checking these 20 key areas can save you thousands of dollars, protect your family's safety, and keep your home running efficiently all year long. Let's walk through exactly what to look for, room by room and system by system, so you never get caught off guard again. The first place to start is your roof. Your roof takes the brunt of every season, from summer sun to winter ice, and it's often the most overlooked part of the house simply because it's out of sight. Before every season change, take a good look from the ground with binoculars, or better yet, get up on a ladder and inspect closely. Look for missing, cracked or curling shingles, granules collecting in your gutters, and any signs of sagging. A damaged roof left unchecked can lead to leaks that silently rot your attic framing long before you ever see a water stain on the ceiling. Right alongside the roof, your gutters and downspouts deserve equal attention. Clogged gutters filled with leaves, twigs, and debris can cause water to back up under your shingles or pour down your siding, leading to foundation damage over time. Every season, clear out the debris and make sure water is flowing freely away from your home's foundation, not pooling near it. Next, turn your attention to your attic. Many people never think to check their attic until something goes wrong, but this hidden space tells you a lot about your home's health. Look for proper insulation levels, signs of moisture or mold, and any evidence of pests like rodents or insects that may have found their way in. Good attic insulation is one of the most important factors in keeping energy bills low. So if you notice thin or compressed insulation, it's worth topping it up before extreme temperatures arrive. While you're thinking about insulation, don't skip your windows and doors. Drafty windows and doors are one of the biggest silent energy wasters in any home. Run your hand around the frames on a windy day. And if you feel air moving, it's time to reseal with fresh caulk or replace worn weather stripping. This simple fix can make a noticeable difference in how comfortable your home feels and how much you spend heating or cooling it. Your home's foundation is another critical area to inspect before every season changes. Walk the perimeter of your house and look for new cracks, especially any that seem to be widening, as well as signs of water pooling near the base. Foundation issues are among the most expensive problems a homeowner can face, so catching small cracks early before freeze-thaw cycles or heavy rains make them worse can save you from a 5-figure repair bill down the road. Speaking of water, your basement or crawl space needs a thorough seasonal check as well. Musty smells, damp walls, or visible mold are all warning signs of moisture intrusion. Basements are particularly vulnerable during spring thaws and heavy fall rains, so checking your sump pump is functioning properly and that your drainage system is clear can prevent a flooded basement disaster. Your HVAC system, meaning your heating and cooling equipment, is one of the most important things to inspect every single season. Before winter, have your furnace serviced and check that it's igniting properly and heating evenly throughout the house. Before summer, do the same for your air conditioning unit. Regardless of season, always check and replace your furnace filter, since a clogged filter forces your system to work harder, driving up energy bills and reducing indoor air quality. While you're near your HVAC system, take a moment to inspect your ductwork for any visible gaps, disconnected sections, or crushed areas. Leaky ducts can waste a significant percentage of your heated or cooled air before it even reaches your living spaces, which means you're literally paying to heat or cool your attic or crawl space instead of your home. Your water heater is another appliance that deserves seasonal attention, especially since it quietly runs in the background, yet accounts for a meaningful chunk of your utility bill. Check for any rust, corrosion, or leaks around the base and consider flushing the tank annually to remove sediment buildup, which helps it run more efficiently and extends its lifespan. Now let's talk about pipes, because frozen or burst pipes are one of the most common and costly seasonal disasters homeowners face. Before cold weather hits, inspect any exposed pipes in unheated areas like garages, basements, and crawl spaces, and make sure they're properly insulated. Disconnect and drain outdoor hoses and shut off water to exterior spigots to prevent freezing and cracking. Your home's exterior siding is worth a close look too. Whether you have vinyl, wood, brick, or stucco, seasonal temperature swings can cause warping, cracking, or loosening. Damaged siding isn't just a cosmetic issue. It can allow moisture to seep behind the surface and cause rot or mold that spreads before you even notice it. Don't forget about your deck or patio if you have one. Wood decks especially need seasonal inspection for loose boards, pop nails, or signs of rot, particularly around posts that touch the ground. A deck that looks fine on the surface can sometimes have structural issues underneath that only become obvious when it's too late. Your driveway and walkways should also make your seasonal checklist. Look for cracks that could worsen with freeze-thaw cycles, turning small imperfections into major trip hazards or expensive repaving jobs. Sealing small cracks early is far cheaper than replacing an entire driveway. Moving to the inside of your home, your smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors are absolutely essential to check every season. Test each unit, replace batteries, even if they seem to be working, and make sure detectors are placed in every bedroom, hallway, and level of your home. This is one of the simplest checks on this list, yet it's the one most directly tied to your family's safety. While you're checking detectors, take a moment to inspect your fireplace and chimney if you have one. Before the colder months, have your chimney professionally inspected and cleaned to remove creosote buildup, which is a leading cause of house fires. Make sure the damper opens and closes properly, and that there's no nesting debris blocking the flue. Your electrical panel and outlets are another area that's easy to ignore until something goes wrong. Look for signs of scorching, unusual smells, or outlets that feel warm to the touch. Flickering lights or breakers that trip frequently are signs that your electrical system may need professional attention before it becomes a bigger, more dangerous problem. Your lawn and landscaping might not seem like a home maintenance item, but overgrown trees and shrubs too close to your house can cause real damage. Branches that rub against siding or roofing during storms can wear through protective coatings, while roots growing too close to your foundation can cause structural issues over time. Trim back anything touching your home before each season change. Your garage door and its opener system deserve a seasonal check as well. Test the auto reverse safety feature. Lubricate moving parts and inspect the weather stripping along the bottom, since a poorly sealed garage door lets in drafts, pests, and moisture just like any other entry point into your home. Finally, don't overlook your home's exterior caulking and grout, particularly around bathrooms, kitchens, and any exterior seams where two materials meet. Cracked or missing caulk allows water infiltration that leads to mold and structural damage. A simple tube of caulk and 20 minutes of your time can prevent thousands of dollars in future repairs. When you put all 20 of these checks together, you start to see a pattern. Nearly every expensive home repair homeowners face begins as a small, easily fixable issue that simply went unnoticed for too long. The roof leak that started as a single loose shingle. The foundation crack that widened over several freeze-thaw cycles. The furnace filter that never got changed until the whole system failed. Seasonal home inspections aren't about creating extra work for yourself. They're about catching these small problems while they're still cheap and easy to fix. The best approach is to set a recurring reminder on your phone or calendar for the start of each season, spring, summer, fall, and winter, and physically walk through this list each time. Bring a notepad or use your phone to jot down anything that needs attention. Then prioritize based on safety first, followed by anything that could worsen quickly with the coming weather. Some of these checks take just a few minutes, like testing your smoke detectors, while others, like a full HVAC service, might require calling in a professional. Investing a single afternoon 4 times a year to walk through your home with this checklist in hand is one of the highest value things any homeowner can do. It protects your biggest financial investment, keeps your family safer, and helps you avoid the stress and expense of emergency repairs that always seem to happen at the worst possible time. Your home works hard to protect you every day, through every season, so taking the time to inspect it before the weather turns is simply returning the favor. Start with just 1 or 2 items from this list today, and before you know it, seasonal home maintenance will become second nature, saving you money and giving you real peace of mind no matter what season is coming next.